How to know a sign factory is reliable is to check their machine. Hi everyone, this is Leon from LCSIGN. Today I will introduce our equipment in the factory. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest information. Let's go! First, laser cutting machine for acrylic and steel. When the customer completes the order, this is the first step in the production of some signs. Through this machine, the accuracy and production efficiency of the product will be greatly improved through. Second, edge folding machine. Our signs are usually made of metal materials such as stainless steel, aluminum plates, and galvanized plates with LED line strips embedded inside. It can reduce welding sinks, save materials, and labor time. Through precise processing, durability and aesthetics can be ensured. The last, 3D printing machine. It can print the shell of LED lights directly. Suitable for complex shapes, special shape structures that are difficult to achieve with traditional process can be realized easily. This machine supports biodegradable materials such as PLA, reducing metal acrylic waste, and can also print building barcodes, heat dissipation hose, and other structures to improve assembly efficiency. Although equipment maintenance requires a lot of money and time, we always believe that only sophisticated and efficient equipment can make customers feel at ease and satisfied. No matter when, we'll try our best to provide the best sign and customer service. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the button right now. Contact LCSIGN when you need signs. See you next time.